Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video, we will see Azure Update Management solution to update virtual machines and cloud. So, let's take a scenario. Imagine you are the server admin for a regional fire department covering dozens of stations. Your department has recently migrated their on-premise system to the cloud. Specifically, they have migrating existing servers to virtual machines hosted in Azure. The department has public-facing and private websites supporting email, patient records, and internal application. As a part of your effort to keep your infra secure, you need to ensure that the virtual machines in your cloud environment are up to date with the latest security and critical updates. So, in the next video, we will see how to deploy update management to a virtual machine. We will schedule schedule recurring security updates and critical updates. So let me just quickly log on to the portal and take it from there. Okay, I am logged on to the portal. So let me tell you a brief about the update management overview. The update management solution allows you to manage and install operating system updates and patches for both Windows and Linux virtual machines that are deployed in Azure, on-premise, or even in the other cloud providers. We can assess the status of available updates on computer and manage the process of installing required updates for servers. So there are several advantages to the update management solution, which are that there are no agents or additional configuration within the virtual machine. We can run updates without logging into the VM, and the update management solution lists missing updates and provides information about failed deployments in an easy to read format. So the supporting operating system would be Windows Server 2008 and newer, CentOS 6 and CentOS 7, Red Hat Enterprise 6 and 7, SUSE Linux Enterprise Server 11, Ubuntu, and if I were to tell you the components that are used by update management, it is Microsoft Monitoring Agent, which is MMA for Windows and Linux. It uses PowerShell desired state configuration for Linux, automation hybrid runbook worker, Microsoft Update or Windows Server Update services for Windows computer. So let's first of all create a virtual machine. I'm going to go with Windows Server 2019 Data Center. I'm going to create a new resource group. I'm going to take it Azure Learn VM Update. Virtual machine would be Azure Learn VM. Let's go with Central India. No infrastructure redundancy required. Windows Server 219 Data Center 1. I'm not using Azure Spot instance. I'm going to go with DS1 V2. And if I see a B, let's go with this one. I'm going to set the username and password. Okay. RDP. Disk. Just for the sake of this lab, I'm going to go with premium. It would charge me a little bit extra, but it's okay. Oh, let me go with HTTP, HTTPS. For networking, I'm going to go with default. Monitoring, I'm Not gonna do it. Review create. Validation passed. And as soon as it is done, I will hit on create. It will create the virtual machine for me, and I'm going to pause the video and come back as soon as it is done. Okay, it is done. I'm going to click on go to resource. Okay, now you see my virtual machine, and if I go scroll down under operations, you see guest plus host updates. I'm going to click on it. It says go to update management to manage this. I'm going to click on it. Now it asks me to configure the log analytic workspace in Central India. This is the workspace. This is my automation account subscription. And I will create the default account. I will click on enable. I will wait for the deployment to finish, which usually takes 15 minutes while update management configures the virtual machine. So I'm gonna pause the video and come back. Okay, it got completed really well. So I'm going to click on here. I'm going to click on go to resource group. So as and when I enable the update management solution, I have automation account, I have default workspace, the log analytics workspace that I will use, and the update management solution. Now, if you go to the automation account now, click on it. And under the automation account, you see hybrid worker groups in here. And if you would check system hybrid worker groups, so the virtual machine that we configured this update management for should have the name here as a system hybrid worker group. Okay, and that is how uh, you enable this update management feature on the Azure VM. So I hope you liked this video. If you have any queries, please mention them in the comment section, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.